The Xubuntu community has officially opened submissions for the Xubuntu 26.04 LTS wallpaper contest, marking an exciting moment in the journey toward the next long-term support release, codenamed Resolute Raccoon. This announcement signals more than just a design competition. It represents a celebration of creativity, collaboration, and the enduring spirit of open source development that has defined Xubuntu for nearly 2 decades. As the project prepares for one of its most important releases in years, it is turning to its global community of artists, photographers, designers, and enthusiasts to help shape the visual identity of the upcoming operating system. Xubuntu, as many Linux users know, is an official flavor of Ubuntu that features the XFCE desktop environment. It is known for being lightweight, fast, and efficient, making it a popular choice for users who want a reliable desktop experience without heavy system requirements. Over the years, Xubuntu has earned a reputation for stability and simplicity while maintaining enough flexibility to satisfy power users. Now, with the approach of version 26.04 LTS, the project is inviting contributors from around the world to participate in a wallpaper contest that could place their artwork directly onto the desktops of millions of users. The codenamed Resolute Raccoon follows a long-standing Ubuntu tradition of pairing an adjective with an animal in alphabetical sequence. Each new Ubuntu cycle introduces a fresh identity, and with it comes an opportunity for artists to interpret that theme visually. The raccoon, known for its intelligence, adaptability, and resourcefulness, fits well with the ethos of Xubuntu itself. The word resolute suggests determination and steady purpose, qualities that align closely with the long-term stability promise of an LTS release. Together, these ideas offer fertile creative ground for artists to explore. The wallpaper contest is open for submissions beginning on February 18, 2026, and it will run until March 4, 2026. During this submission period, participants can upload their original artwork to the official Ubuntu discourse thread dedicated to the contest. After submissions close, a community voting phase will take place from March 4th through March 11th, 2026. The winners will then be announced on March 11th. This clear timeline ensures that artwork can be selected and integrated in time for the official release of Xubuntu 26.04 for LTS, which is scheduled for April 23, 2026. The rules of the contest are straightforward but important. All submitted artwork must be original, and the contributor must hold full rights to the image. This requirement ensures that there are no copyright conflicts when the wallpaper becomes part of an official Linux distribution, because Xubuntu is freely distributed worldwide. Any included artwork must be legally shareable without restrictions that would contradict the principles of open source software. In addition to originality, there are technical specifications that must be met. Images must be created at a 4000 resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. This high resolution ensures that the wallpapers look sharp and vibrant on modern displays, including high DPI monitors and large screens. The accepted file formats are PNG and WebP, both of which support high-quality visuals and efficient compression. These formats are well suited for distribution within a Linux operating system because they preserve detail without introducing excessive file size overhead. Licensing is another essential aspect of the contest. Submissions must be released under either the Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 International License or the Creative Commons Attribution Sharealike 4.0 International License. These licenses allow the artwork to be shared and reused while ensuring that credit is given to the original creator. The share-alike option further requires that derivative works be licensed under the same terms, which aligns with the collaborative philosophy of open source communities. By requiring these licenses, the Xubuntu team ensures that the wallpapers remain freely available and consistent with the project's values. One particularly notable rule is that AI-generated artwork is not allowed in this contest. This decision highlights the project's emphasis on authentic human creativity. While artificial intelligence tools are becoming increasingly common in digital art, the Xubuntu team has chosen to focus on original works created directly by individuals. This approach reinforces the idea that the contest is about celebrating the talents and efforts of community members themselves. The voting phase of the contest gives the broader community a chance to participate even if they are not submitting artwork. During this period, users can review the entries and cast votes for their favorites. Community voting ensures that the selected wallpapers resonate with the people who will actually use them. It creates a sense of shared ownership over the final result and encourages engagement across the user base. Winning the contest brings recognition rather than monetary reward. The winners will receive official Xubuntu stickers sent by mail. While this may seem modest, The real prize is the opportunity to have one's artwork included in an official long-term support release. For many artists, seeing their creation featured as a default wallpaper in a widely used Linux distribution is a meaningful accomplishment. It reflects trust from the project and appreciation from the community. The significance of the 26.04 LTS release extends beyond its wallpapers. Long-term support versions are designed to receive updates and security maintenance for several years, making them especially important for users who rely on stability. Organizations, educational institutions, and individual users often choose LTS releases because they provide a dependable foundation. As such, the visual design of an LTS release carries added weight. The wallpapers chosen now may remain on users' desktops for years to come. This release will ship with the XFCE 4.20 desktop environment by default, bringing improvements and refinements that enhance usability and performance. XFCE has long been appreciated for its balance between functionality and resource efficiency. It provides a traditional desktop layout while remaining light enough to run smoothly on older hardware. By combining XFCE 4.20 with the stability of Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, Xubuntu continues its tradition of delivering a dependable yet modern Linux experience. The wallpaper contest also coincides with a major milestone, Xubuntu's 20th anniversary as an official Ubuntu flavor. 2 decades of development represent countless contributions from volunteers, developers, translators, designers, testers, and supporters around the world. Over those years, the project has grown and adapted while remaining committed to its core mission of providing a lightweight and user-friendly Linux distribution. Hosting a wallpaper contest during this anniversary period is a fitting way to honor the creative spirit that has sustained the community. When you think about wallpapers in an operating system, they might seem like a small detail compared to features, security updates, or performance enhancements, yet they play a crucial role in shaping the user experience. The wallpaper is often the first visual element someone sees after installation. It sets the tone, conveys personality, and contributes to the emotional connection users form with their system. In many ways, it becomes the face of the release. For artists considering participation, the theme offers broad possibilities. Some may choose to depict a raccoon in imaginative or abstract ways, capturing the essence of the Resolute Raccoon. Others may focus on geometric patterns, nature photography, digital art, or minimalist compositions that align with Xubuntu's clean aesthetic. The only limitations are the technical specifications, licensing requirements, and the prohibition of AI-generated content. Submitting artwork requires an Ubuntu One account so that participants can post their images on the official Ubuntu discourse thread. This ensures that submissions are organized and accessible to the community during the voting phase. Once posted, entries can be viewed, discussed, and appreciated by users from around the world. Community-driven contests like this reflect the broader culture of open-source software. Unlike proprietary systems developed behind closed doors, projects like Xubuntu thrive on transparency and participation. Contributors are not limited to writing code. They can design icons, create themes, translate, documentation, test new features, or in this quasi-produce artwork that becomes part of the official release. This inclusive approach strengthens the bond between developers and users. As the March 4th submission deadline approaches, artists have a limited window to finalize and upload their work. Attention to detail matters. A well-crafted composition, balanced colors, and thoughtful design can make the difference between an entry that blends in and one that stands out. Because the wallpaper will serve as a background for desktop icons and panels, it should avoid excessive visual clutter that might interfere with usability. Subtle gradients, harmonious color palettes, and clean focal points often perform well in operating system environments. After submissions close, the voting phase becomes an exciting period of anticipation. Community members browse the gallery of entries, compare styles, and cast votes. Discussions often emerge about what best represents Ubuntu's identity. Some may prefer abstract art that feels modern and energetic. Others may favor nature scenes that convey calm and stability. The diversity of preferences reflects the diversity of the user base itself. On March 11th, when the winners are announced, the chosen artworks will move from community submissions to official status. They will be packaged into the distribution and become part of the Xubuntu 26.04 LTS experience. For the artist whose work is selected, this moment represents recognition from a global open source community. For users, it signals that their voices and votes have helped shape the release. The broader Ubuntu ecosystem also benefits from such contests. Ubuntu's tradition of community engagement has long included design competitions and collaborative initiatives. By continuing this tradition, Xubuntu reinforces its commitment to openness and participation. It demonstrates that even as software evolves and technology advances, the human element remains central. As we look ahead to the official release date of April 23, 2026, anticipation continues to build. New features, performance improvements, and updated software packages will attract attention. But the wallpapers chosen through this contest will serve as a lasting visual symbol of the release. They will appear in screenshots, tutorials, reviews, and countless personal desktops around the world. In the end, the Xubuntu 26.04 LTS wallpaper contest is about more than selecting a background image. It is about celebrating creativity within a technical community. It is about giving individuals an opportunity to contribute meaningfully to a project that embodies collaboration and shared purpose. It is about marking 20 years of dedication with fresh artistic expression, and it is about ensuring that when users install Resolute Raccoon, they are greeted not only by a reliable operating system, but also by artwork created by someone within their own community. Whether you are an experienced digital artist or a passionate hobbyist, this contest represents a unique opportunity. By participating, you become part of Xubuntu's story. By voting, you help shape its identity. And by following the release of 26.04 LTS, you witness another chapter in the ongoing evolution of a distribution that has remained resolute in its commitment to performance, accessibility, and open collaboration for 2 decades.